Hello and welcome to How to Draw Stuff. Today we show you how to draw the Monster Energy logo. It's a real quick and easy drawing, so let's see how it's done. The lines for the M in Monster are wavy, giving it a spooky feel. Move your hands as you draw the line, but don't veer off too far. The side of the M looks like a nail with a little tick at the top pointing left. The middle line of the M is longer than the other two, but has a very similar shape. Again, draw slightly wavy lines for the right impression. The last line of the M is in the same shape, but this time slightly shorter than the first line we drew. Here's our finished Monster logo drawing. Check out related brand logos in the description or suggest ones we don't have by leaving a comment below. We'll see you next time.